So today is the day we're picking up some wheels for the M3. My buddy is selling some wheels off his F30 and I'm hoping those specs will fit perfectly on the M3. So we're gonna go pick them up, check them out, see how they look. And if everything checks out, guys, we're gonna go ahead and buy them off them and put them on the M3.
Hours later.
So we ended up getting the new wheels, guys. I'm gonna show them when we get home. They're actually right here in the back, as you guys can see. I was gonna bring my girl's car, but I wanted to drive the M6 today, but I just made sure to protect them with some trash bags so they're not damaging the seats or anything. But yeah, guys, right now I'm gonna show you my buddy Abraham's new BBS wheels he got on his F30. They look so good, guys. We got Abraham right here. He got some new wheels. Rich guy right here. He got some BBS's, guys. Let's check them out. These are real authentic BBS's. They're so clean. Now I want to get BBS's, guys. Like I was saying, like I just picked up some new wheels, but these are just so nice. Also did a custom seat delete with the roll cage, full carbon interior. This guy's crazy. I'm gonna take some pictures of the M6 right now, guys, too. We got it right now, City Monster Truck. Just carbon fiber side skirts, front lip only. Full body kit's coming very soon. It's gonna look so much different, but she still looks good. We're at this cool location out here, somewhere disclosed, can't tell you guys. Just taking some pictures for Instagram and stuff.
3 hours later.
So we just got back to the house, guys, and as you can see, there are no wheels on the M3. But before we talk about the wheels, I just want to show you guys two new things I recently added. We finally got some carbon fiber side skirts on the M3. It looks really good, nice 2x2 weave. If you guys are in the market for side skirts, definitely let me know. We also did add a high kick trunk lip as well. You guys can see, really nice. Like I was mentioning before, guys, in the past video, there aren't that many trunk lip options for the E93 M3, so I went with the most aggressive out there. And then we got the other side skirt right here as well. Really easy to put on, guys. Shout out to Spencer Burke for making a really thorough install video. That definitely helped me out. So yeah, we got both of those on. The new trunk lip, so we're slowly adding more carbon fiber. I went to go check out the wheels this morning, like I was telling you guys, and the wheels were perfect. They had no curb rash, tires were in really good condition. So I said, you know what, let's do it. So I ended up taking them. I thought I might as well clean my rotors because as you guys can see right here, there's a lot of rust built up on here and that's really bad. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to clean all 4 rotors as best as I can before I put the new wheels on, so it doesn't keep getting kicked up or built up on there. This is the driver's side front. Let me show you guys the rear driver's side as well. This one's not too bad. And then let's go on the other side. Definitely needs a cleaning. That's pretty bad. And then we got the passenger front. It looks like the front are worse than the rear. So yeah, guys, definitely need to get those cleaned out. I'm gonna try my best to get them looking as new as possible. I do want to change these out eventually, guys. Probably get like a Brembo big brake kit, but in the meantime, these will do, I guess. So first step, guys, I highly recommend putting something under your rotor because when spraying all the chemicals, they're gonna start dripping down. When you're cleaning all the rust off, at least you know it's dripping onto something you can dispose after. So I just finished up with one, guys, and as you guys can see, it's a lot less orange and brown now. You actually can see the rotor hub and everything. It's nice and silver. It's not 100% clean. It looks like some of these marks are stains from putting the old wheels on and stuff, but this will do for me, guys. I think it looks a lot better. You guys can actually see inside the middle of the hub now. You can see the writing and stuff. Way more clean. Let's just do a quick comparison, guys. So this is the left driver's side, and then we'll show you. And then this is the passenger front, guys. So you guys can see there is a huge difference. Moving on to the final rotor, guys. This is probably the most sturdiest one. Like I was saying earlier, you guys can see how much brake dust and just grime and rust is built up in there. It just looks really bad. It looks like these are like paint splatters. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna try my best to clean it off, but yeah, this is pretty bad. So this is probably gonna be the toughest one. Hopefully it doesn't take too long because I'm anxious to put the wheels on and show you guys. So before we put the wheels on, guys, the other day I picked up the coolest tool. I had this air compressor sitting inside my garage for about a month now. My original plan was to connect it to a foam cannon and wash my car and stuff like that, but I ended up buying an air impact wrench, and now I have a tire shop inside my garage. I'm sure us car guys know exactly what this sound is. So yeah, it's pretty cool. It's gonna be so easy to take my wheels off and stuff now. Don't worry, guys, I'm not gonna use this to tighten my wheels. This is just to take them off. I have an actual torque wrench for that. All right, guys, so here are the wheels without further ado. They are my new 2-piece 7K wheels. So since the wheels are a 2-piece, the barrel is in a gloss black finish and the face is in a gloss black finish, and then the hardware all the way around is chrome. Again, these wheels were off my buddy's M3, so I didn't get to choose the finishes, but full gloss black is fine with me. I think it looks really, really good. The rears, we are sitting on a 18 by 11, and then if we move to the front, these are gonna be an 18 by 9.5. For some time now, I have been contemplating whether I wanted to go 19s or 18s, but after some research and stuff, I wanted to be able to run more meatier tires, so 18s just made sense. So for the front tires, we have some brand new Federal RSRs. These are a 265 35 18, and then if we go back to the rear, these tire sizes are a 275 35 18. I possibly can go more aggressive in the rear as far as tires, but I just wanted to play it safe. I didn't want to rub my fenders or anything like that. But yeah, guys, I'm super hyped for these wheels. I think they look really well on my E93 M3. When I seen them put these wheels on his F30 M3 a while back, they did catch my eye, but never did I think I would have them on my M3. Yeah, guys, definitely let me know down below what you guys think of the new wheels. One thing I do really like is that the spokes are directional, so it looks really cool while I'm rolling. Yeah guys, I'm really happy with the choice of wheels I ended up going with for the M3. Thank God my buddy was selling these and I was looking for wheels at the same time, and it just made sense. But yeah guys, again, these are 7K wheels, so huge shout out to them. Definitely will be tagging them on Instagram and stuff.
The next day.